In this video, let me show you how to fix Google Classroom cannot join. So if you're having issues joining your Google Classroom, there are a few things that you need to ensure. The first thing that you need to ensure is that you're using the correct Google account. So the person who has created, or your teacher who has created this Google Classroom, may have added in your another Google account and you may be using the wrong one. So make sure you switch to your correct Google account, and as soon as you do that, your issue should be fixed. However, if this is not the case for you, secondly, you'll also need to ensure that the class code that you're entering is correct. So it is the 6 to 8 letter code or a number that is provided to you. Make sure that you enter in the code correctly. Only then you would be able to join. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. So simply hop out of the app of Classroom, tap and hold it, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache being displayed. You can also tap on the clear all data option. What this does is clear out any sort of corrupted files which might be causing such issues. So that's pretty much all there is to it, and once you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the Google Classroom cannot join. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.